These flicks will leave you screaming with laughter. Welcome to Flixy.com. I am Siddhivinayak Dubey, and today we are counting down our top 10 favorite horror-themed Bollywood comedies.
वेल पहली देखने लायक ज़ॉम्बी मूवी ऑफ बॉलीवुड।
ज़ॉम्बीज़ कहाँ से आ गए?
ग्लोबलाइजेशन। ये फिरंगियों ने वाट लगा दी है। पहले लेकर आए HIV, अभी ज़ॉम्बी।
What do you do when you get fired or cheated upon by your girlfriend? Simple. Party, drink, and the Goa scene, bro. When three friends, Hardik, Bunny, and Love, decides to go to Goa and rave on a remote island.
मैं गोवा जा रहा हूँ प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए।
कहाँ जा रहा है तू?
The morning after, they wake up to see that everyone has turned into a zombie. Well, except one. Boris!
I kill dead people.
The movie literally has everything. Girls, drug, zombies, comedy.
What?
Are you really Russian?
What?
You look a little desi.
हाँ दिल्ली से हूँ भैंचोद।
And an iconic stoner song on top of it.
Nah, that is Baba Ji. बाबा जी की जय हो बाबा जी की।
Number 9. Pillori. What do you do if you're a Manglik and want to get married in India? Well, simple. You get married to a people compared.
You're joking, right?
Not so simple if the people compared has a ghost living in it. Then you are basically married to this ghost.
अरे सुनिए,
This is the cute logic behind Pillori.
तुमने पेड़ से नहीं मुझसे शादी करी है।
Karan gets married to Shashi, a ghost, and now the ghost has nowhere to go as the tree has been chopped off.
कहाँ?
पेड़ पे।
पेड़ तो नहीं है।
मतलब?
Now, Kanan has to get back in the past to be able to get rid of the ghost and have an actual wife. Shashi's incomplete love story with Pillori, the love of her life, cry and laugh as Anu and Kanan help Shashi find Nirvana. Number 8. Nanu Ki Janu. Nanu is a land agent in Delhi who scares away landlords and takes their property illegally, basically living in his own mafia world.
घर जाकर ना घायल घातक फर्स्ट बुलेट रैम्बो जैसी फिल्में देख फन्ने का बन जाएगा तू फन्ने का।
One day he encounters an accident and sees a girl, Janu, lying in a pool of blood on the road. He immediately takes her onto the hospital but is devastated when she dies in front of him. After her demise, the ghost of Nanu starts living with Nanu in his house.
हमारे घर में भूत है।
डाल भाई गाड़ी में, देवता दिखाए ने।
Her stay turns Nanu into a scared and timid guy, making him forget all about the land mafia he once was.
तूने अपनी शक्ल देखी?
साले मैं सुबह से हवा तक नहीं हूँ।
A series of comedy scenes unfold with Nanu being frightened out of his wits and falling in love with his ghost. But the question that arises is what will their ending be? Number 7. Chamatkar. The first horror comedy of Bollywood and a legendary one. Sundar's biggest dream in life was to start a school, but his best friend steals that away from him. After conning him and running away to Dubai with all the money, with no place to go, Sundar reaches a tombstone and meets the ghost of Marco, a crime don, who was shot dead by his trainee Kunta. Marco agrees to Sundar with his love life, job, and dream, opening a school with a favor to help him avenge his death. Chamatkar subtly conveys the possibility of second chances with a gripping plot. Number 6. Bhootnath. As a 7-year-old boy, Panku moves into his new house with his family. The ghost of the previous owner is waiting to scare away whoever enters his property. Panku's innocence and friendliness take over the wickedness of the ghost, changing his perspective forever. This movie takes you through a series of emotional experiences as Banku's pure love transforms an evil ghost into a kind man and takes him to his path of liberation from this human world. Number 5. Great Grand Masti.
कब से बज रहा है? सर, बेल यहाँ नहीं, वहाँ बज रहा है।
It's basically about a ghost named Ragini who needs sex. So yeah, I'm not kidding. This movie also has these 3 gems of Bollywood with screen name Amar, Prem and Neil. They're always and always looking for sex. And somehow they enter this Haveli where Ragini resides. Ragini insists that they sleep with her willingly, क्योंकि भाई मस्ती का मजा जबरदस्ती में नहीं. But sleeping with her means death. And so, our boys must save themselves and say no. Number 4. Bhootnath Returns. The movie, sequel to Bhootnath, marks the return of the ghost of Kailashnath back to Earth to seek revenge as he has been mocked in the Bhoot world as a weak ghost and who could not even scare kids. He tries to scare kids but fails as the kids are now stronger and don't even frightened by Choti Cheezer. He meets a boy named Akrot who can see him in his true form. They become friends and set out to remove corruption and politics and help the families of the other ghosts by scaring away the corrupt insurance officers. This movie takes us through a heart-touching emotional drama as Akrot joins hands with the Bhootnath to remove corruption, contest an election, wins it and attains the salvation by saving Akrot's life.
लोकसभा के इलेक्शन में किस तरह का भेदभाव है?
जो कैंडिडेट खड़ा हो रहा है उसका भारतीय नागरिक होना आवश्यक है, कम से कम 25 साल उम्र होनी चाहिए.
उसे जिंदा
Number 3. Golmaal Again. This new script doesn't have anything to do with the previous series of this franchise. Universe ही अलग है bro. Gopal, Madhav, Lucky, Lakshman and Khushi have grown up as an orphans but now are doing their own things. Most of it consists of some shady marpitai etc. to make some quick bucks. They all love Anna Matthew, Tabu, the old librarian from their childhood days, who is also a ghost of a spirit. Yeah, काफी cool. And all these actors come together again at the orphanage and unfolds a murder mystery. Number 2. Bhool Bhulaiya. Bhool Bhulaiya is set in small town in Rajasthan, and because it is in Rajasthan, there is obviously a Haveli. And since it has a Haveli, it's obviously haunted. This haunted Haveli belongs to a royal family who have locked the booth in Tisri Manzil with some talas and mantras. It's really fun to watch this masterpiece with actors controlling this booth when it gets out somehow. And finally, the number 1, Stree. This movie stars Rajkumar Rao as the lead actor, जिसके टेलर पापा ने उसको सर पे चढ़ा रखा.
हमारा बेटा भगवान के दर्जी रूपी अवतार है.
But Raja Babu thinks that he is made for bigger and better things.
हमारा जन्म ना ब्लाउज पेटी को ढीले करने के लिए नहीं हुआ.
ये तो क्या करने के लिए हुआ है बेटा?
वो पता नहीं अभी, पर चल जाएगा पता थोड़े दिन में.
They live in a गांव Chanderi where everybody believes that there resides a ghost, basically a स्त्री, जो कि है कि मर्दों की हंसती खेलती जिंदगी में दहशत और खौफ भर देती है. And when she comes out, it's time's up for men.
हमें अपने नौजवान वापिस चाहिए.
And the funny part is, the remedy of it is the ink which do not allow the ghost to enter the premises if it's painted on the main gate.
चमगादड़ के हड्डियों के चूरे को एक सफेद कौवे के मूत्र से मिलाओ तब बनती है ये स्याही.
The plot is very fun to watch where these actors unravel the mysterious ghost.
प्यार से देखो. प्यार और प्यार से देखो. अरे हमारी गांड पटी हुई है, कहां से लाएंगे प्यार?
So that's all for this video. Do tell us your favorite Bollywood horror comedy movies in the comment section given below. Peace.